Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a common predicament that many of us have faced at some point: sending an email and instantly realizing we made a mistake. But fear not, because in this video, I'll show you how to recall an email in Outlook. Let's begin. Say you just sent an email and realized you attached the wrong file or made an embarrassing typo. No worries. Immediately go to your Sent Items folder and open the email you want to recall. Double-click it using your mouse. Once the email is open, navigate to the Message tab at the top of the screen. Look for the Actions group, and there you'll find the Recall This Message option. Click on Recall This Message, and a new dialog box will appear giving you two options. You can either delete unread copies of this message, or delete unread copies and replace with a new message. Choose the option that best suits your needs. If you select the first option, the email will be deleted from the recipient's inbox. But remember, this only works if the recipient hasn't opened the email yet. The second option allows you to replace the recalled email with a corrected version. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can save yourself from those dreaded email blunders. Remember though, the recall feature isn't foolproof. It's essential to act quickly, as there's no guarantee the email hasn't been seen or the recall will be successful. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy emailing.